I'm going to walk through how we are organized as a company to give you better context when you're interacting with our overall organization. The first thing to understand is that we have two different operating units or divisions within the company that operate like separate companies. There are some shared resources, but we try to keep clean separations within the companies, and we in fact have separate P&Ls and revenue streams within each division. The first one is our software division. That's the software as a service provider of the CIMcloud platform. The second one is our Pro Services division, and that serves as an implementation partner of CIMcloud and is an optional entity for you to engage with. So their job is to help you get live and thrive on the CIMcloud platform and give you alternatives to going through self-service onboarding and implementation and self-service solution and program level management of your overall CIM program. So the best analogy is if you think about this is a very typical setup in the ERP space, the CRM space, or the e-commerce space. If you go buy an ERP system from a Sage or a Microsoft or a Epicor, someone like that, very typically you will see the software publisher will sell you the software or a NetSuite that's cloud-based software, and then you have an implementation partner that may be involved in the sale of that software and or the implementation of that software, but they're most typically involved in the implementation. So they will help you with project planning and setup and the implementation work and configuration, going through consulting on business workflows and things like that. So we very much have two separate divisions that operate like that. We are the software publisher, and our Pro Services division is effectively servicing as that implementation partner and consulting and project arm that's an optional arm that you can use.